There's the durian open.
It's not that bad.
Dinosaur Armageddon.
Okay, video this.
Do I get up?
Actually, it tastes okay.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I did see a
It's
sign.
like pudding in there.
Dinosaur Armageddon.
I can't figure out if this is really disgusting or sort of cool.
Both.
She's eating it.
A lot of really disgusting things are sort of cool.
She's eating it.
You want some, Michael?
Weird.
I'll take some.
Okay, next stop we trash this.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, wow, this is kind of strange.
You guys want to wrap it?
Yeah. Mission accomplished.